Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I have a really short haul for you guys. I went to Dollar Tree yesterday to get some stuff from the house, and they have all their school supply stuff out. So I had Elijah with me, and he wanted me to get him these color pencils. They're erasable color pencils. This was $5 at Dollar Tree. They all have the erasers. And then I grabbed these pencils for him. He wanted these to draw with. And I'm like, do you want some copy paper? Because he loves to draw. He draws in his sketchbooks and stuff, but he doesn't really keep track of them all the time, or he'll draw in all the pages. So they had this $1.25 75 sheet copy paper, and I figured that I could use some of this as well for my little notebooks that I've been creating with my Craftelier new binding machine. Guys, it is restocked. If you missed it on my community tab, go grab it if you're interested in that new binding system. I'm trying to see where are the little books that I created. But anyways, they have the little clickable binders. These right here. So I'll put the link for the Craftelier video down below so you guys can check out the link to grab this. It's gonna sell out again quickly, guys, so I would definitely grab it. And it's at a really good price. 30 bucks is an amazing price for that binding machine. I really, really like it. All right, so I got that from Dollar Tree. And then I picked these up. I thought these were so cute. I have some Scrap Diva design videos coming up for back to school. And I wanted to like maybe incorporate these in a project. So this is the crayon shaped pencil pouch. It came in several colors. It came in yellow, green, a really dark, like bright pink that I didn't really care for. And then this blue. Elijah wanted the blue one. So I figured I'd grab the yellow. And they're big, you guys. I think they sell these at like Target or something for a lot more. These were just $1.25, and it is almost 11 inches, you guys. So they're huge. And then they had some new rhinestones. I love this brand, Ione. If you see anything at Dollar Tree with this brand, grab it, because it's a really good brand. I'm really sad. Oh, these are actually glow in the dark. Okay. Glow getter? Wait, no, maybe they're not. I don't know why I saw something glow in the dark. Let me get this open, guys. Okay. So the last one that I showed you guys, I'm so sad that I only got one. I meant to go back and get some more, and now they're completely sold out. That one came with some little bows, and the rhinestones were so pretty. These are just faceted rhinestones. Guys, you gotta grab these. This is such an amazing deal. And look at how many rhinestones are in here. There's a lot. So we have red, hot pink, light pink, this really pretty like powder blue. Maybe that's not called powder blue. I don't know, but it's a pretty blue. Turquoise, black, white, yellow, green, a dark navy blue, a dark purple, and a light purple. So guys, grab these. It's an amazing deal. I grabbed 3 this time. I didn't want to I really don't need these, but I can gift them, and they're just nice to have convenient around. I got all my jewel gems really everywhere in my craft room, so I just grabbed these just to have on deck. So that's what I grabbed from Dollar Tree. And then I got an Aliexpress order. Guys, I'm so sad about Temu. Like, I really miss Temu, but I can't with the tariffs. I cannot. So I had to place an order. God bless you. Because I needed some more of these centers for my flowers. And that's why I haven't really finished my centers, my flowers that I shared from Scrap Diva Designs. Let me show them to you guys again. I know you're tired of seeing them. I'm not tired of seeing them though. So these are the centers, the middles, the center of the flower die. I use it to make these tiny flowers. And then here are, so you guys gotta let me know which one looks better. My vellum ones. I have a tutorial. I'll link it down below if you're interested. So I just inked them and splattered them, and they're beautiful. And I was running low on these. So let me put one in so you guys can see. And you can let me know which center you like. So I did put my other centers on these. So this is the bead cap with, look at my nail already, my goodness. With the gem in the middle. These gems are from Hobby Lobby, the yellow ones that I shared on my last video. And then let's go ahead and put one of these. I love these centers right here. I think this will probably look better on the smaller ones. But I love the center. It's so beautiful. I don't know, guys. I kind of like the look of both to have, you know, options. But you guys are going to have to let me know down below what you think. They're definitely going to look good on the smaller ones. So I grabbed these. I grabbed like 5 packs. I wanted to get more. Now the prices on Aliexpress, they are a little bit higher, but I like that they are adding the higher price to the products instead of adding the huge tariff at the end. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. So like it's marked up a little bit more to cover the cost of the tariff, I think. And then I grabbed these. I think these were free gifts. So I like that Aliexpress is doing that. Like if you place, I don't know, it was free somehow. Look at these. They're teeny tiny, guys. I didn't know these were going to be this tiny. They're beautiful. These are faceted. They're gorgeous. Okay. And then let me, I don't even remember what else I grabbed. So let me grab that. I think these were free gifts from like placing another order. Like if I bought one thing, I got these as free, which I'd never seen Aliexpress do that before. So these are just a bunch of little like balls and they're see-through. I grabbed them for shakers. Let's see what's in here. Okay, I also got this box for free. And I really should do all my, I don't even know what to put in here, guys. Do you have like just so many things you don't even know what to put inside or something? Maybe I'll put all these little jemmies in here. No, I don't think I want to do that. But it would be nice to put my all the flower centers. Maybe I could do that. And this would be like my little flower making kit. So I think I purchased this. And then I got the other things as a free gift. I wanted this for my little Crocs. Guys, if you missed my video from Scrap Diva Designs, don't forget you can use code Poochie10 to save with Scrap Diva Designs. She has this little Croc memory decks card, and she also has a mini album. And I shared how you can make these magnets. So I grabbed some of these because I wanted some more Hello Kitty. I wanted some smaller ones. So this one has, and there's different options for this. I always open these things the wrong way. So you can get one that has like all Hello Kitty. I grabbed the one that has all the characters. And I'm sorry I cannot name these characters, guys. Just Pacheco. I think that's his name. Kuromi, I think is that one. My Melody. And they're teeny tiny. So it's Pacheco with green. Why didn't it give me 2 Hello Kitties? And then I don't know who that girl is. I'm sure you guys will let me know down below. But yeah, I grabbed this. It was super cheap. It was like $1 and some change. So if you are missing Temu, definitely hop over to Aliexpress. And you can get some things for cheaper. I cannot find those flower centers anywhere else. So that's why I placed this order, you guys. I needed to have those flower centers. I love them. And then here's my last little package. I don't remember what it is. I think it's another free gift. Oh no, I paid for these. So yeah, I ordered these 2 and then I got this and the case as a free gift. So they're really trying to get us to shop, guys. And these are, they're like kind of like a cookie texture Hello Kitties. So cute. And I think it came in a pack of 10 if I'm not mistaken. All right, so that's it for this video. If you want links to anything, I'll list it down below. Just let me know and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.